If you're seeing the blocked by Cloudflare Site Protection error in JDownloader, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few methods that can help you get around this issue and get your downloads working again. Let's jump right into it. First, it's important to understand what this error actually means. According to the JDownloader team, this message appears when JDownloader detects that the website you're trying to access has blocked your connection through Cloudflare's security system. This isn't something JDownloader can bypass automatically, so you'll need to use a different approach to access the download. Method 1. Use Cloudflare WARP. The first solution that worked for many users is using Cloudflare WARP. Download the version that matches your operating system, whether you're using Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, or iOS. Once the download is complete, install the application like you normally would. After installation, launch Cloudflare WARP. On Windows, you'll usually find it in the system tray near the clock. Click the WARP icon and turn it on. When it's connected successfully, you'll see a message saying your connection is protected or your internet is private. Now go back to JDownloader and try downloading the file again. For many users, simply changing the network route with Cloudflare WARP resolves the Cloudflare protection error. Method 2. Use Free Download Manager. Instead, if the issue still isn't fixed, there's another workaround that works well for many protected download links. First, disconnect WARP if it's currently enabled. Then download Free Download Manager, FDM, from its official website. Install it on your computer and launch the application. Next, open your browser and search for FistiGel FDM Addon GitHub. Open the GitHub repository and download the latest release of the add-on. Once you've downloaded the add-on file, return to Free Download Manager. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then open the add-on section. Choose Install Add-on from File, browse to the add-on you downloaded from GitHub, and install it. After the installation is complete, restart Free Download Manager if required. Using the add-on's very straightforward. Go to the web page that contains the file you want to download. Right-click the download link and choose Copy Link. Open Free Download Manager and paste the copied link using Ctrl+V.